Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on how to do the basics for a new employee. So this video will just be something that you can show any new employee without giving them too much on their first day. In this video I will quickly go through the following items: how to log in, managing your admin user details, how to create and view help desk tickets, where to find your customer profile, and what to do if you need support. So let's start with the logging in process. Your system administrator will need to create a user account for you. They will then send you the URL to your company's DataTill. They'll also send you login details. To log in, you will need to enter either your username or your email address, as well as your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can always click on the Forget Password button. This will then send you an email in which it will ask you to reset your password. If you know all these details are correct, you can click on the Sign In button. When signing in for the first time, you will need to accept our user license agreement. After reading through all the information here, click on the Accept Terms and Conditions and then on the Continue button. After you have logged in for the first time, you will be able to see your company name here, as well as your company's logo. These headings at the top will be determined by the permissions that have been assigned to you. If there is something that you should be able to do but you cannot do, please speak to your system administrator regarding your permissions. So first, let me show you how to manage your own user account. To do this, you can click on this little button here and then click on My Account. Here you will be able to update your account settings, change your password. Here you will be able to modify your application settings, for example your default list size or whether hyperlinks should be opened in a new window or the current window. And then you can also determine your notification summary. You can switch notifications on and off by clicking on the toggle button. You can also click on these buttons at the top to automatically enable or disable all notifications. After making changes to any one of these sections, please remember to click on the relevant update button. Next, I will show you how to get to your help desk ticket list. To start, you will go to Workflow and then click on Help Desk Ticket List. On this screen you will be able to view a list of all current open tickets within your company. You will also be able to filter this ticket list according to reasons, specific users, specific customers, or even specific departments or categories. You will also be able to filter your list to see which tickets are on hold, which tickets are closed, and which tickets have been deleted. To follow a ticket, you can click on this button. To close a ticket, you can click on the cross. To add a ticket, you can click on the Add Ticket button. From here, you will need to enter your ticket title, choose your relevant customer, determine the ticket priority, enter your ticket reason. This is used for internal reporting features. Then you can also assign it to a department, a ticket category, and as well to who should the ticket be assigned to. In this section, you will enter your customer message, and once you have completed everything, you can click on the Create button. You have now successfully created a ticket. To view the ticket details, you can click on the blue button. This will open your ticket in a new tab. On this screen, you will be able to see all messages in a conversational style. You will also be able to edit the ticket properties, assign the ticket to another department and user, place the ticket on hold, follow or unfollow the ticket, link the ticket to tickets with a similar issue, as well as print, delete, merge, close, or reload the specific ticket. In this section, you will be able to add a new note for your customer. You'll also be able to click here or drop files here to upload it as an attachment. If this note that you want to create is an internal note only or a private message that the customer should not see, then remember to click on the admin only function. On the right hand side, we see more ticket properties. Here we'll be able to see any other tickets opened on the specific customer profile, any checklists that have been added, calendar events, for example call-outs or installations which have been scheduled, and you'll also be able to add a job card. This function here will allow you to quickly add a job card for a call-out, but this will only be available if your company is using our sales module. From here you can go to the customer profile by clicking on this button, or you can view the customer's usage details. So let me quickly show you how to get to your customer profile. So you can either do this by clicking on this button, or you can go to Customers, Edit Customer. In the right hand corner you'll be able to select your customer here, and then your profile will load. For more information on everything you can find on your customer profile, please view our YouTube videos, which will give you an overview of our customers. So this brings me to support. So how does support work? Number one, we have a YouTube channel in which we are currently busy capturing all of DataTill, as well as try to visually demonstrate how the system works. Then we are also currently doing webinars. Our webinars take place on a Thursday afternoon at 4 o'clock and will be on the topics which are most requested throughout the week. Thirdly, we have this question mark here. From this question mark you will be able to go to our website and quickly view a specific guide or manual. On our website you will be able to find all our guides as well as blogs giving you the latest updates about the system changes that we have made. Then lastly, also under the question mark, you have a Submit Support Request button. This will allow you to submit a DataTill support request to our support team. Here you will see the customer details is automatically populated. Then we have the issue details. In the issue details section, you will be able to give us more information on your question or your query. You will need to give us an issue title, then choose the issue department. Please note that this issue department is the DataTill department and not the specific department in which you work. For example, if you need an invoice or a statement from DataTill, you will choose Accounts. If you have a sales query, you want to enable a new module, etc., you will choose Sales. And if you have a support query, you will choose the support department. Then you will choose the relevant issue category, and then you can add your issue details. Please note that when you are submitting an issue, please provide us with as much as possible information, examples or screenshots. This will enable us to quickly find what went wrong as well as what the solution is. And then the last section is attachments. Here you'll be able to add your attachments. You can either click and upload or drag and drop your files here. After all the details has been completed, remember to click on the Submit Issue button. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to visit our website or contact our support team.